Good morning, students. Continuing with the chapter Rational Numbers. We are going to solve exercise 9.1. In the previous class, we already solved questions 1 to 5. Total 5 questions we have solved in the previous video. Today we will start with question 6. Textbook, page 183. I'll read the question. Question 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Total 7 questions are there. So first question, minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. In this lesson, minus 7 upon 21 is a negative rational number, whereas 3 upon 9 is a positive rational number. So our question is, which of the following represent the same rational number? Here one is negative and the other it is positive. So you know that negative and positive, they are not equal. Therefore we can write minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9 are not the same rational number. Okay, so it's already written. Minus 7 upon 21 is a negative rational number and 3 upon 9 is a positive rational number. Minus 7 upon 21 therefore not equal to 3 upon 9. So we can write thus minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9 do not represent the same rational number. Okay. Second question, listen. Minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25. Now see, here minus 16 upon 20 we can convert in the simplest form by dividing by 4. Minus 16 divided by 4 we get minus 4. 20 divided by 4 we get 5. So minus 4 upon 5. So minus taking common, that is 4 upon minus 4 upon 5. Here 20 upon 25 divided by 5 we get 20 divided by 5 and 25 minus 25 divided by 5. This is the dividing by the highest common factor. So we get 20 divided by 5, it is 4 minus 25 divided by 5 minus 5. It is minus 4 upon 5. See, both are equal. So we can write minus 16 upon 20 is equal to 20 upon minus 25. Therefore, minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25 represent the same rational number. Now third question. Third question is minus 2 upon minus 3 and 2 upon 3. Now see, minus 2 upon minus 3, you know that both the numerator and denominator are negative. So it's a positive rational number. So otherwise we can divide by minus 1 on both numerator and denominator. We get 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon minus 3 is same as 2 upon 3. Therefore, minus 2 upon minus 3 and 2 upon 3 represent the same rational number. See the fourth one. Minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 50. See, minus 3 upon 5 is in the simplest form. So, convert this minus 12 upon 50 in the simplest form. We can divide by the highest common factor. That is, minus 12 divided by 2, 50 divided by 2. We get minus 6 upon 25. See that minus 3 upon 5 and minus 6 upon 25, they are not equal. So, minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 50, they do not represent the same rational number. Otherwise, instead of converting this into simplest form, if you want, you can multiply this also with 4. When you multiply minus 3 with 4, you will get minus 12, but 5 with 4, you will get 20. So, either both the ways you can do it. I hope it's clear to you. Fifth one. 8 upon minus 5 and minus 24 upon 15. So 8 upon minus 5 is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So minus 24 upon 15 divided by the highest common factor. Minus 24 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3. So we get minus 8 upon 5. 8 upon minus 5 is equal to minus 24 upon 15. Thus 8 upon minus 5 and minus 24 upon 15 represent the same rational number. Sixth one, 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9. Here you know that 1 upon 3 is a positive rational number and minus 1 upon 9 is a negative rational number. Thus one is positive and the other is negative. They are not equal. So thus 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9 do not represent the same rational number. Now see question 7. Minus 5 upon 9 and 5 upon minus 9. You know that minus 5 upon minus 9 is a positive rational number. That is 5 upon 9. But 5 upon minus 9 is a negative rational number. So 5 upon 9 which is not equal to 5 upon minus 9. So thus minus 5 upon minus 9 and 5 upon minus 9 do not represent the same rational number. Okay. Now question 7. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. How to convert the given rational numbers in simplest form? What you have to do is, you have to find out the highest common factor or HCF of both numerator and denominator. Then divide both numerator and denominator with the HCF. Then you will get the simplest form of the given rational number. We can do the first question. Minus 8 upon 6. Minus 8 upon 6. First, what is the HCF of 8 and 6? What is the HCF of 8 and 6? HCF of 8 and 6 is, which is the highest common factor? That is 2. 2 is the, in your previous class you have learned how to find out the HCF. Now, so for 8 and 6 the highest common factor is 2. So divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So minus 8 upon 6, that's equal to minus 8 divided by 2 upon 6 divided by 2. We get minus 4 upon 3. So the simplest form of minus 8 upon 6 is minus 4 upon 3. That we can write. This is your answer. Is that clear? Now start with the second question. 25 upon 45. So what I told, first you have to divide both numerator and denominator with the HCF. What is the HCF of 25 and 45? So we can write HCF of 25 and 45 is 5. So divide with 5. 25 upon 45 is equal to 25 divided by 5, 45 divided by 5. That's equal to 5 upon 9. Therefore, the simplest form of 25 upon 45 is 5 upon 9. Third question is minus 44 upon 72. HCF of 44 and 72 is 4. So dividing both numerator and denominator by 4, we get minus 11 upon 18. Therefore, the simplest form of minus 44 upon 72 is minus 11 upon 18. Now the last question in this, minus 8 upon 10. HCF of 8 and 10 is 2. So divide minus 8 and 10 by 2. So we get minus 4 upon 5. Therefore, the simplest form of minus 8 upon 10 is minus 4 upon 5. Is that clear? Next one, question 8. Fill the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, less than and 0. You know that symbol? First one greater than symbol, second one less than and equal. So in that first question, here see, minus 5 upon 7, 2 upon 3. In this box you have to write less than, greater than or equal sign. In this question you see, the first rational number is a negative rational number and the second one is a positive rational number. You know that a negative rational number is always less than a positive rational number. Therefore, which sign will come here? Minus 5 upon 7 is less than 2 upon 3. Is that clear? Minus 5 upon 7 is a negative rational number. Therefore, minus 5 upon 7 less than 2 upon 3. Now the second question. Minus 4 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 7. Here see in this, minus 4 upon 5, minus 5 upon 7. Both are negative rational numbers. And the denominators are also different. So what we have to do? First we have to make the denominator same. For that, find out the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 7, it is 35, isn't it? Now we can write minus 4 upon 5 as 5 into 7 minus 4 into 7. We get minus 28 upon 35. Same way, minus 5 upon 7 can be written as 7 into 5 minus 5 into 5. Minus 25 upon 35. Now you see, denominators are same, 35 and 35. You just compare the numerator, minus 28 and minus 25. Which is greater? Minus 25 is greater. That means minus 28 is less than minus 25. So we can write minus 28 upon 35 less than upon 35 less than minus 25 upon 35. Therefore, minus 4 upon 5 less than minus 5 upon 7. This is the answer. Third one, minus 7 upon 8, 14 upon minus 16. LCM of 8 and 16, it is 16. So, minus 7 upon 8. So, 8 is the denominator. Change it into 16 by multiplying with 2. So, we get minus 7 into 2 upon 8 into 2. We get minus 14 upon 16. So, 14 upon minus 16 can be written as minus 14 upon 16. Multiplying with minus 1 on both numerator and denominator. So, since these two are equal, we can write minus 7 upon 8 equal to 14 upon minus 16. Listen to the fourth one. Minus 8 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 4. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So we can write minus 8 upon 5 as minus 32 upon 20 by multiplying with 4. And minus 7 upon 4 minus 35 upon 20. Now compare minus 32 and minus 35. Minus 32 is greater than minus 35. That means minus 32 upon 20 greater than minus 35 upon 20. Therefore, minus 8 upon 5 greater than minus 7 upon 4. Next, 1 upon minus 3 minus 1 upon 4. So, 1 upon minus 3 we can write minus 1 upon 3. And LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So, 1 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 4. On both numerator and denominator, we get minus 4 upon 12. Minus 1 upon 4. So, as LCM is 12, 4 multiplied by 3. Same way, minus 1 also multiplied by 3, we get minus 3 upon 12. Here the denominators are the same. Compare the numerator. Minus 4 is less than minus 3. Therefore, minus 4 upon 12 less than minus 3 upon 12. Therefore, 1 upon minus 3 less than minus 1 upon 4. Sixth one, 5 upon minus 11 minus 5 upon 11. You know that 5 upon minus 11 is same as minus 5 upon 11. As we multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. Therefore, we can write 5 upon minus 11 is equal to 5 minus 5 upon 11. Last question in this, 0 and minus 7 upon 6. We know that 0 is greater than all the negative numbers or negative rational numbers. So, what will you write? 0 greater than minus 7 upon 6. This is the answer. The reason is 0 is greater than all the negative rational numbers. I hope it's clear to you. Now move on to the next question, that is ninth one. So ninth question is the same as that of the eighth one. Here also we have to, here what we have to find out is which is greater in each of the following. Which rational number is greater you have to find out, but the method is the same. You have to find out the LCM and make the denominator same, then we can compare the rational numbers. So the first question is this, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 2. In this, first we will find out the LCM. LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 2 upon 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6. 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4. So 2 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 6. 5 upon 2 is equal to 15 upon 6. Now see, 4 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Denominators are the same. So compare the numerators. 15 greater than 4. Therefore we can write. So if you want it here, that is 15 greater than 4. So therefore 15 upon 6 greater than 4 upon 6. And 15 upon 6 means 5 upon 2. So therefore 5 upon 2 is greater than 2 upon 3. So minus 5 upon 6 and minus 4 upon 3. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So minus 5 upon 6, that's equal to minus 5 upon 6 only, because denominator is 6. Minus 4 upon 3. So 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So minus 4 also to be multiplied by 2, we get minus 8. Now compare the numerator, minus 5 and minus 8. Minus 5 is greater than minus 8. Therefore, minus 5 upon 6 greater than minus 8 upon 6. So we can write minus 5 upon 6 is greater than minus 4 upon 3. Third one, minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon minus 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 into 3 upon 4 into 3, we get minus 9 upon 12. 2 upon minus 3. When you multiply by minus 1 on both sides, we get minus 2 upon 3. So here also multiply by 4, we get minus 8 upon 12. Now denominator same, compare the numerator. Minus 8 is greater than minus 9. Therefore, minus 8 upon 12 greater than minus 9 upon 12. We get 2 upon minus 3 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. Fourth one, minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. We know that a positive rational number is always greater than a negative rational number. Here which is positive? 1 upon 4 is positive. So we can write 1 upon 4 greater than minus 1 upon 4. Now the last one. See, question 5 is a mixed rational number. See here. Minus 3 2 upon 7, minus 3 4 upon 5. So minus 3 2 upon 7 can be written as minus 23 upon 7, and minus 3 4 upon 5 can be written as minus 19 upon 5. So LCM of 7 and 5, 35. So minus 23 upon 7, we get it as minus 115 upon 35, and minus 19 upon 5, minus 133 upon 35. Which is greater? Minus 115 is greater, that is minus 115 upon 35 greater than minus 133 upon 35. That means minus 23 upon 7 greater than minus 19 upon 5. Thus we can write minus 3 2 upon 7 is greater than minus 3 4 upon 5. So this is how we can compare the rational numbers. Now question 10. Last question of this exercise. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. In your previous class, you must have learned ascending order and descending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means from small to big. Descending means from bigger to smaller. So here you have to write from the smallest rational number to the biggest rational number, which is given here. So the first question. In this question, see, denominators are the same. 5, 5, 5. So as the denominators are same, it is easy to compare the rational number. Just you compare the numerators. Here, which is greater, that is minus 1. Then minus 2, then minus 3. As it is the ascending order, what you have to write is from the smallest rational number to the biggest one. So here, denominator same, so we can compare minus 3 less than minus 2 less than minus 1. Therefore, minus 3 upon 5 less than minus 2 upon 5 less than minus 1 upon 5. So, which is the ascending order? Therefore, the ascending order of the given rational number is minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. Suppose if the denominators are not the same, what you have to do? Then find out the LCM, make the denominators same, then compare the numerators. That we can see in the next questions. Minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9, minus 4 upon 3. So denominators 3, 9, 3. So LCM is 9. Now minus 1 upon 3. 3 is the denominator. 3 into 3 we get 9. So numerator also multiply by 3. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So minus 1 upon 3 is equal to minus 3 upon 9. Minus 2 upon 9. So as it is minus 2 upon 9. Minus 4 upon 3. 3 into 3. So minus 4 into 3. We get minus 12 upon 9. Now the denominators are the same. So compare the numerators. Minus 12 less than minus 3 less than minus 2. Therefore, minus 12 upon 9 less than minus 3 upon 9 less than minus 2 upon 9. Minus 12 upon 9 means minus 4 upon 3 less than minus 1 upon 3 less than minus 2 upon 9. Thus, the ascending order of the given rational numbers is minus 4 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9. Okay? Here, third question. Minus 3 upon 7, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4. Then find out the LCM of 7, 2 and 4. LCM of 7, 2 and 4 is 28. Now, change the denominator to 28. That means make the denominator same and then compare the numerators. So change the denominator, we get minus 12 upon 28, minus 42 upon 28, minus 21 upon 28. And minus 42 less than minus 21 less than minus 10. So minus 42 upon 28 less than minus 21 upon 28 less than minus 12 upon 28. So the ascending order of the given rational numbers is minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4, minus 3 upon 7. I hope exercise 9.1 is clear to you. Write all the answers in your notebook and then practice it. Next video we will start with exercise 9.2. Thank you.